Hi friends, welcome to JD's Easy Cooking channel. Today we are going to see Triveni Laddu, a easy healthy laddu using jaggery. The ingredients needed I have given here. What the ingredients are: moong dal, that is payatham 1 cup, groundnuts 1 cup, roasted gram dal pottu kadalai 1 cup. For 3 cups of dals, we are using 1 cup of jaggery. Isn't it very less? Then for garnishing, we are using cashew nuts, sesame seeds, and 2 tablespoons of ghee is needed to make balls. We are also using some raisins and cardamom powder. These are all the ingredients, friends. Now I have dry roasted all the 3 dals and made it into a fine powder, giving it to a machine. You can also powder it in a mixie and sieve it nicely. This powder will be handy for you and you can do laddus whenever you need. Now I am going to use 3 cups of this powder to make laddu. We will be getting around 15 laddus for this. 3 cups. Second cup and 3 cups of flour I am going to use. This is a very healthy sweet. We are using only very less jaggery for it and very less ghee for it. I am taking 1 cup of jaggery for 3 cups of flour. Now we are going to add the cardamom powder to the flour. It gives a nice aroma to it. Now we are going to dissolve the jaggery, filter it and make pak. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of white sugar to give a nice taste. Now I have kept the jaggery in the stove and added a little water. We are going to dissolve it first and then filter it and then make pak. So I am dissolving it first. Once all the jaggeries are dissolved, we are going to filter it out. Now I am going to filter the jaggery. Always we have to filter the jaggery as there will be sand particles in it. See, there are a lot of sand particles. Now we are going to again boil the jaggery till soft ball consistency. When it turns frothy, we can start checking. We have to bring it to a honey consistency or soft ball consistency. See, it is frothy, no? If we check now, the proper consistency won't be coming. I'll show it to you. See, if we check, the jaggery is dissolving in the water. So we have to boil for some more time. So I am boiling it for some more time. Now it has thickened. Now see, if we put in the water, it settles down nicely in the water. This is the correct consistency. If you leave more, then we can't bite the balls. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee to the jaggery. Keep it aside. Now roast the sesame seeds, dry roast it. Add it to the ground flour. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee in the kadai and add the garnishing item cashews and raisins. The more we add, the more the taste will be. So add the cashews and raisins and fry it till golden brown. And the raisins pop up. Do it in a medium flame to avoid burning of cashews. Now the raisins are puffed up and cashews are turning to a light brown color. This is the correct time to switch off the stove and add it to the flour. Now I have added the raisins and cashews to the flour. Now we are going to add the jaggery to the flour. That's all, friends. Very easy sweet, no? We have to mix it now and make into small laddus. Grease your hand with ghee. Mix it with a spoon because jaggery will be very hot. Then after it cools a little, mix it nicely with hand and make small lemon size laddus. It will be very easy to make laddu as we are adding jaggery pag to it. If we add jaggery powder, we have to add lot of ghee. Since we are adding pag to it, it will be very easy to make laddu. Just 2 tablespoons of ghee is enough. You can even reduce the amount of ghee if you want. This will be very tasty. Even diabetic patients who have sweet craving can eat it 1 or 2 per day. It is a very easy and instant making sweet. If you keep the flour ready, you can do it anytime. For 3 cups of flour, I got around 17 laddus. You can store this for a week's time.